to my channel. So you're watching Grandpa Fountain Pen Reviews channel. So today I'm back again with another fountain pen related video. So today in my hand a beautiful Aurora Hastil fountain pen. So this is a silver pen with a white gold 14 karat nib. So top of the wheel writing Aurora, and bottom of the barrel is as a black flat end, and this is very nice function. I tell you what is the function of this. So a clip is a plain clip, so pop-up cap, nice function. So this is my number of pen, I think. So this is a broad 14 karat white gold nib. So the function of this is there, it help to grip the cap on the barrel. So it has a Parker converter, very nice fitting. So now I am, and this pen is very not so much light, not so much heavy, very nice balanced pen, because this is Aurora, made in Italy. So what we have, Aurora Hastil 14 karat gold broad nib. So as you know, this is writes very nicely and very thick line. This is a signature pen. So the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So beautiful pen with a beautiful broad nib. So I hope you liked my video. If you like, kindly subscribe my channel. If you have any broken pen, if you want to repair it, so contact with this number 70093961115 WhatsApp number. And we also selling nicely vintage pens. So bye bye friends, I hope you like the video. See you again.